Hey, real talk. My father was just recently diagnosed with stage 2 small cell lung cancer. There's a GoFundMe down below to assist with medical bills, regular bills, so on and so on. Please, every little bit helps, and it would be I would feel very grateful if you could help out. If you can't send any money, like I said, I completely understand. Just pass on some good vibes and prayers. Everything out. Anyway, Dylan Geddes here, Battle Iron Forge. Thank you so much for joining me. Let's make ourselves a little guy, little hook. Like I said. Even if possible, to get a nice clean break. A little bit of twisting, and there it is. We're just gonna do something very simple. We're just gonna go over very aggressive taper. Alright, simple scroll over the front. Every blacksmith has their own little way of doing that. Never been a project.